What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Annie Stowe with Stowed Stuff Sparkles. Today I'm here to talk to you about an amazing sale that you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to let you in on a little secret. We have an amazing, massive sale going on, and it's on our amazing wrap stars, these sparkly bad boys, whether you get the tri-wrap or the wrap star. There are 22 colors to choose from, and they're just $50 for the remaining days of May. So get in on it while you can. Hot, hot, hot. $50, regularly 74 bucks, so it's massive savings. Wrap, snap, and go. I am a blue girl and I'm wearing this in navy today with this amazing ice bracelet and a stretchy, and this is the perfect recipe for a wrist party. So let me show you how these work. Literally wrap, snap, and go. Plus, if you grab two of them, you're gonna be able to get in on the special where you'll get anything in our entire collection at 50% off. So look at this. So many crystals on here. You've got two snaps, Swarovski crystal snaps, and you can wear it loose or you can wear it looser. That's what I like to tell the girls. So you just wrap, snap, and voila. You just go, and you're gonna get so many compliments on this. It's the most amazing bracelet. They're lightweight, they're easy to keep clean, they are a vegan suede, and they are so great for working on the computer. They're not gonna clang and bang, and you're gonna get tons of compliments, like I said. So, regularly 74 bucks, yours for just $50, so definitely message me, get in touch with me, and I'm gonna put the link down in the description box so you know how to order your very own wrap star. The hardest part is gonna be picking which color you get. You might have to get two, ladies, maybe even three, and they make a super duper gift. Never enough sparkle. Thanks for watching guys, and be sure to subscribe.